Hi, today we're having a look at one of 3000 RPM's printers. Now this, the Epson SX535WD, is an amazing, fully multifunctional printer. It's got a printing function as normal, it also has a standalone copying function and a scanner function. It'll plug into your computer either via normal USB or it'll connect to your network via Wi-Fi or a cable network, and that means that anyone in your household can print from this printer without needing to be plugged directly into it. The printer also has automatic double-sided printing, which is great for saving on paper, and it has a separate ink cartridge for each of the three colours and the black, which can save you a fortune on printing. There's a memory card reader and a small LCD screen, so you can make slight adjustments and then directly print your photos, and it'll print those photos in full high quality. There's also the added benefit of Epson's Smart Connect software, which means that if you own an iPhone or an Android mobile phone, then you can print straight off those devices using that software. This really is an all-rounder printer. It's great for everything you could possibly need. We'll have a look inside the box, look at what the printer does, how to set it up, and then we'll talk about the features in more detail. Inside the box you don't get many accessories because you don't need them. You've just got the power supply, manuals, a CD and a set of ink cartridges. Taking a look around the printer, the scanner flap is on the top, which covers up the scanner. On the very front you'll find that the paper output tray will slide right back into the printer to keep it tidy when you're not using it, and the paper feed-in tray is right at the bottom, and once it's loaded up it tucks completely away so that your paper won't get folded or damaged. The memory card reader for printing photos is on the front at the left hand side of the device, and the LCD display and buttons will be fully tiltable so that you can have them at a comfortable viewing and using angle. The Ethernet, USB and power supplies are all on the back on the left hand side. When you first turn on the printer, you'll be asked to select the language that you want. You can just use the up and down selection keys and the OK key in the middle to select the English language. And from there it will just run through a first time warm-up and initialization process. You're then ready to put in your ink cartridges. When you're ready to do this, simply lift up the flap on the very top of the device and you'll be presented with the ink cartridge cassette. It'll recognise that it needs new ink cartridges, so simply open up the flap and you'll see that all the colours are clearly labelled next to this cartridge. Just unwrap all your cartridges and they simply push and fit into place. Once you've got all four of those colours securely fitted, just close over the grey flap again and close the main flap on the top of the printer, and it will recognise that you've put in the new cartridges and charge them up so that they're ready to use. I'll just show you also how easy it is to set up Wi-Fi using the standard Wi-Fi wizard. This shows all the Wi-Fi networks that are in the area. I'm going to choose the one that I know, and I've got the password for that, which you can just input using your keys. Once you've put all the details in, just press OK and it will set up that network completely for you. It's worth noting that if you do use a wired network connection, you won't have to put in the password. You simply need to plug in the cable in the back and press Setup Network and it will do everything for you. So there you have it, the Epson SX535WD, a truly great all-rounder printer, and it will cater for all of your printing needs. If you have any more questions on this product, please comment on the videos or visit us on Facebook or Twitter.